got a bunk one, is what she said.
Hi, little Bubba. Mommy. You sound like a little toy.
Yeah, unless we're doing something wrong. So this is what it looks like in this house.
Hi, baby.
Okay, see.
Hi, little Bubba.
Here,
Right.
and
Take that off.
You were doing this a lot when you were inside. Pick up all the time.